Jesse Lauriston Livermore, born in 1877, was a titan of Wall Street, a pioneer of day trading whose life was a whirlwind of spectacular wealth and devastating loss. His journey began at 15, when he ran away from his family's farm, finding his calling not in the soil, but in the ticker tape of Boston's bucket shops. He possessed an uncanny genius for numbers and market timing, quickly earning the nickname the Boy Plunger for his daring high-stakes bets. Livermore's legend was forged in the fires of market crashes. In the panic of 1907, while others faced ruin, he shorted the market and walked away with his first $1 million. His most audacious move came during the Great Crash of 1929. Sensing the impending collapse, he went short on a massive scale, amassing a fortune of $100 million, equivalent to billions today. At his peak, he was one of the richest men in the world, living a life of unimaginable luxury. Yet, Livermore's fortunes were as volatile as the markets he mastered. He made and lost his millions at least 4 times, his immense wealth vanishing as quickly as it appeared. His personal life was equally turbulent, marked by 3 marriages and strained relationships. Despite his incredible successes, he was haunted by depression. In 1940, after losing his fortune once more, Jesse Livermore's tumultuous life came to a tragic end. He left behind a suicide note that read, "My life has been a failure," a somber epitaph for a man who had conquered Wall Street but could not conquer himself. His story, immortalized in the book Reminiscences of a Stock Operator, remains a timeless and cautionary tale of genius, greed, and the psychological warfare of the stock market.